Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Viper pool vacuum is probably one of the most essential tools for any pool owner looking to maintain a pristine swimming environment with minimal effort, transforming the tedious chore of pool cleaning into a remarkably simple and efficient task. This advanced cleaning device is engineered to tackle everything from fine dust to larger debris, ensuring your pool remains crystal clear and inviting throughout the swimming season, making it a worthwhile investment for those who value both cleanliness and convenience. Number 5. Waterproof Replacement Shoulder Strap. Introducing our premium replacement shoulder strap, designed for ultimate durability. Its waterproof construction ensures your belongings stay dry in any weather. Experience personalized comfort with its easily adjustable design. Find the perfect fit for your shoulder, whether you're carrying a bag or a backpack. This versatile strap is the ideal replacement for your worn-out shoulder belts. It's perfect for shoulder bags, backpacks, and more. Built for reliability, this strap provides a secure and comfortable carrying experience. Trust it to keep your essentials safe and sound. Finished in a classic black, it seamlessly complements any bag. Upgrade your gear with this stylish and functional accessory. What we like. This is a versatile and durable shoulder strap. If you need a replacement for your bag or backpack, this is a great option. It's adjustable and waterproof, making it suitable for various conditions and uses. What people say. The Viper is a great vacuum, it cleans the pool very well. It is easy to set up and use, and it does a good job of picking up debris. Number 4. Aiper EcoSurfer S2 Solar Pool Skimmer Robot. Enjoy a pristine pool around the clock. This device harnesses solar power for continuous cleaning, and even on cloudy days, a single charge provides hours of operation. It captures all debris with its advanced 150-micron filter and leak-proof design. Plus, it dispenses chlorine to keep your water sparkling clean. Take full control with the dedicated app. Start, stop, schedule cleanings, steer remotely, and receive instant alerts for any issues. Navigate your pool effortlessly. Its smart algorithms and dual sensors help it avoid obstacles and precisely clean every corner, even edges. Never worry about it getting stuck. With retractable columns and app alerts, it ensures uninterrupted cleaning performance. Built to last with salt chlorine-tolerant motors and UV-resistant housing. It's designed for energy-efficient performance in any pool condition. What we like. This solar-powered pool skimmer offers continuous cleaning with app support. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and smart solution for your pool, this is it. Its dual charging modes and obstacle avoidance make it ideal for busy pool owners who want automated, efficient maintenance. What people say. It does a great job of cleaning the pool. The vacuum is very easy to set up and use. It picks up dirt and debris very effectively. Number 3. WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner 525 square feet. Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Introducing the WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner, designed to make your life easier. This advanced cleaner navigates your pool with intelligent precision, ensuring every inch is covered. It reaches up to 525 square feet, providing comprehensive cleaning. Its powerful suction effectively removes debris, dirt, and leaves from your pool surfaces. Enjoy a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. Simply place it in your pool and let it do the work. It's designed for ultimate convenience and user-friendliness. Reclaim your weekends and spend more time enjoying your pool. Let our robotic cleaner handle the maintenance for you. Experience the future of pool maintenance with WYBOT. It's the smart choice for a pristine pool all season long. What we like. This robotic pool cleaner is designed for large pools, covering up to 525 square feet. If you have a substantial pool and want a hassle-free cleaning experience, this is a solid choice. It automates the cleaning process, saving you time and effort. What people say. This vacuum is very easy to set up and use. It does a great job of cleaning the pool, picking up even small debris. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple cleaning sessions on a single charge. Number 2. InoKraft Cordless Pool Vacuum. Keep your pool crystal clear with this easy-to-use pool cleaner. It simplifies your daily maintenance routine with a quick detachable filter for simple cleaning. Its self-supporting design makes charging and storage a breeze, ensuring effortless care for any backyard pool. Experience powerful suction with this cordless pool cleaner, delivering impressive flow. Its transparent head design lets you see debris disappear in real time. Achieve a spotless pool in just one session without any guesswork. This heavy-duty pool vacuum easily handles leaves, twigs, and sand without clogging. Its wide-mouth suction port and fine filter trap even the smallest particles. A built-in indicator ensures it performs continuously, no matter your pool type. This versatile cleaner adapts to any pool, reaching spots others miss. Its dual-mode brush head is perfect for all areas, from shallow steps to tight corners. With the extendable pole, you can clean a wide radius without bending over. Enjoy professional-grade cleaning at an affordable price. It runs for up to 60 minutes on a single charge and is designed for durability. You can rely on it for years to come, backed by a worry-free warranty. What we like. This cordless pool vacuum offers powerful suction and versatility for both above-ground and in-ground pools. If you prefer a manual but highly effective cleaning tool with visible results, this is for you. Its extendable pole and transparent head make it easy to see and reach every spot. What people say. The Viper is a great vacuum for the price. It picks up all the debris from the bottom of the pool and leaves it sparkling clean. I love how easy it is to use. Just plug it in and let it do its magic. It covers the entire pool and doesn't miss any spots. The Viper is very durable and well made. I've had mine for over a year and it still works like new. It's a great investment for any pool owner. Number 1. Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot. Experience unmatched water clarity and cleaning power. This device clarifies water, cleans the surface, walls, floor, and waterline effortlessly. It leads the industry with automatic dispensing of a powerful clarifier solution. This rapidly eliminates dirt and residue, ensuring immaculate water clarity. Its unique dual propeller design allows it to clean a floor, walls, waterline, and even the water surface. It captures floating debris like leaves and branches. This cleaner redefines effortless maintenance with an intelligent return feature. It surfaces automatically when cleaning is done or the battery is low, parking above the water. An industry-first NonaDrive 9 motor system delivers powerful water flow for effective wall climbing and debris suction. Its roller brushes and dual-track drive ensure expanded coverage. Powered by a quad-core CPU and smart sensors, it uses AI algorithms to chart the most efficient cleaning paths. It ensures comprehensive coverage and effortless obstacle handling. With a robust battery, enjoy up to 9.5 hours of surface cleaning or 5 hours of continuous bottom cleaning. It ensures uninterrupted cleaning of large pools. What we like. This advanced pool robot offers comprehensive 5-in-1 cleaning, including water surface skimming and automatic clarifying. If you desire the ultimate in water clarity and automated pool care, this is the premium choice. Its intelligent path optimization and extended cleaning time make it perfect for large pools and those who want a pristine swimming environment with minimal effort. What people say. The Viper Pool Vacuum is a great addition to my pool cleaning routine. It's easy to set up and use, and it does a fantastic job of picking up debris. I love how quiet the Viper Pool Vacuum is. It doesn't disturb my neighbors or my own peace and quiet while it's working. The Viper Pool Vacuum is very efficient. It covers the entire pool and leaves no spot untouched. It's a real time saver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.